Well, good morning everybody and welcome back. Hey, today's an exciting day for me because we finally get to start building my new shop. Now, the gentleman that you're going to see building this, his name is Bob, and he's been building buildings like this for 30 years. This is essentially a portable garage that we've kind of redesigned and turned it into what's going to be my wood shop. And you'll see by the construction of the foundation, and it's beefed up. It's why it was designed to be a portable garage. A little more beefed up than just your normal building. But we're excited about it. And now I didn't get to video every little step because I had to leave throughout the day. And so there's some steps that Bob missed. And kind of note too, Bob does some interesting things to make the job easier because he does this all by himself. He builds this entire building by himself in about 2.5 or 3 days. And some of his little shortcuts are just amazing. Glad you're with us. Glad you stayed patient with us in our absence. But today's the day one of On Our Way Back. Hope you enjoy this little series that we get the building built, and then we're going to go into the electrical and the lighting and so forth. So it's going to be a series, and but we appreciate it and hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Our foundation is set on 4 4x4 pressure treated runners, and then the joists are 2x6s, and they are 12 inches apart, as you see here. Now we'll see an aerial view of it, and you can see that the 12-inch centers. Well, we've got the foundation done, and we've got the flooring down. It's double thick 5/8 inch plywood, so we've got 1.25 inch thick floor here. Like we said, sitting on the foundation with the floor joists on 12-inch centers. Should be strong enough. Bob made these wall panels in 12-foot sections. You can see he's already raised one, and here he's raising the second for this one wall, and he just tacks them to the floor, and then he'll join the two by tacking them together. And here he's raising the first section of the other wall. You can see the second section is laying right there. I didn't capture that one in video, but it's the process is the same. Here Bob's installing a 2x6 top plate, and this eventually will be where the ceiling truss will sit. Okay, we're calling it quits after day one, but this guy did amazing. He got the foundation up, he got all 4 walls in. As you can see here, we've got a place for an entry door and 2 24x36 windows. This end, we're going to have a 7 feet by 9 foot roll-up garage door. Not the one on tracks, but those that roll up. And we can come inside here, see some of the characteristics. Of course, it's got the double top plates. Like I said, every 4 feet has got a double stud. Of course, you can see here we've got the ceiling joists. They'll be going up first thing in the morning. They'll be on 16-inch centers as well as the wall studs are. So that's the end of day one.